Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia T21, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So theme on the third place in my top is NOKIA launcher. So just open Play Store and find here NOKIA launcher and click install. Click open. Agree and continue. And great. As you can see, here we can add our favorite apps. Click OK, and great. Here you will see our favorite applications. Here you will see my menu with normal search. And here you will see your alphabetical main menu. So if you want to find any application, for example, Play Store, just drag your finger to the P button, and as you can see now I see Play Store here and I can open it. Great. On the second place is Smart Launcher 6. So find it. Smart Launcher 6. Click OK. And install. Click open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. While using the app. Hello. Now choose wallpapers. Click confirm. Here you can pay for it, but you can use this launcher completely for free. Great. And cool, as you can see, here we have really beautiful design. Here we have Smart Search. Smart Search is one of the best searching tool for your device. Smart Search can search between your contacts, files, and other applications, for example. So in this way you will be able to find practically everything. Here you have settings, not settings but news, and here you have your main menu with great grouping features. So here we have messages, contacts, here we have internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. So it's very handy to use. Okay, and on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find Microsoft Launcher and click open. Get started. Use. Allow. Continue. Here you can connect your Microsoft account to the Microsoft Launcher. Click OK. Pick your favorite apps. Let's go. Set as default. Find launcher here, and great. So cool. Here we have Glance panel. In Glance we can set up all our widgets in the way we want. We can enable news, we can disable news, so as you like. Here we have our main menu applications menu. Here you can hide applications or for example set up grid. For example, you can set up grid, for example horizontal grid or alphabetical grid. So in the way you want, you can set up this menu. You can hide applications from here. And why I like this launcher, because here we have gesture set up, so you can open launcher settings, then scroll down, find gestures here, and here you can set up gestures. For example, 2 finger swipe up. Using this gest, I can open any application I have on my tablet. For example, I want to open Spotify. And great, now when I will swipe from down to up using 2 fingers, I will always open Spotify. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.